Product type: antenna. Item package dimension: 30.48 cm LX 17.78 cm WX 7.62 cm H. Country of origin: China. Item package weight: 1.45 pounds. This 18CB antenna co-phase RG59A, U coaxial cable has molded place 259 connectors for moisture protection and is for use with dual CB antenna so 239 stud mounts. It has 95% shielding coverage for protection of RF leaks and interference and a stranded center conductor for flexibility. Top reviews from the United States. Dual-phase coaxial cable. This dual-phase coaxial cable is needed when using two antennas and it works great. I was able to tune both antennas to a 1.2 using this cable. Excellent product. Great CB dual coax cable. The 18-foot is recommended for dual CB antenna setups. I purchased dual CB antennas on another online website and the seller included a 12-foot dual coax which caused the antenna warning light to come on and created high SWR meter readings. The antenna manufacturer clearly states that 18-foot dual coax is required and it is written on the packaging. I requested to return the 12-foot CB dual coax cable and purchase an 18-foot cable and the request was ignored. The RoadPro CB cable is well made with quality fittings. The SWR reading on the CB radio is as low as it can go. Having Amazon Prime and knowing when my purchase will arrive makes it even better. Thanks Amazon.